Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add a date picker in Google Sheets. So instead of typing dates manually, you can just click and select a date from a calendar. So first, open sheets.google.com and open your sheet or create a new blank sheet. Now look for the column where you want the date picker. For example, maybe column A will be for dates. Click and drag to highlight the cells where you want the date picker to appear. After highlighting those cells, go to the top menu and click on Data. Now, from the drop-down, you will see something like Data Validation. Click on Data Validation. A small settings box will pop up on the right side. Under Criteria, you will see a box that might say Text, Number, or List. Click on that box and choose Date. Once you choose Date, Google Sheets understands that any data inside this cell must be a date. Now look below, you might see an option like Show Dropdown. Make sure that is turned on. That is what gives us the date picker. After that, click the button Done at the top of that panel. Now click inside any of the cells where you applied the validation. You will now see a small calendar icon appear. If you click that small calendar icon, it will open a date picker. From there, you can click any date, and it will instantly go into the cell. This is very helpful when you're making attendance sheets, schedules, planning files, or anything that needs proper dates. It also helps you avoid typing mistakes like wrong format or wrong date style. So that's basically how to add a date picker inside Google Sheets. Highlight your cells, go to Data, choose Data Validation, set the criteria to Date, switch on the drop-down, and click Done. That's it. Now you have a calendar picker right inside your sheet. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.